So guys, I've just lost my drone. It's somewhere up there. We're gonna have a look at it. It's still there. But rest in peace, drone. I'll see you next time. I've lost all the footage, and it was really good footage too. So I think it's down here. See if we can focus on it. So the drone is somewhere around here. I thought it was that red one, but maybe not. See you later, drone. Bye, rest in peace. Till next time, next video. Because there was no access through the bush, I couldn't really get my drone back. Coledale Beach Campground is a beautiful campground, a great campsite, and it's easy to get to from Sydney. It's only 1.5 hours away. Be sure to book in early as the campsite is very popular and always full. We managed to get a campsite during low season on a weekday. The campsite is perfect because it's right in front of the beach where we can go for a swim. When you first arrive, you pick up the letter on the mail and it'll show you a map of where your campsite is. The powered campsite is usually for the caravans and the unpowered are for tent camping. Still can't believe how close this is to home, and it's got the best view of the beach. After setting up our campsite, we went for a swim. The beach is right in front of us and there was access through the grass. What up, Phoenix? Down to the dirty water. Into the beach. The weather was still pretty hot as we were at the end of summer. I love how there's also a view of the mountains in the background. With the mountains in the back. This is Coledale Beach. During this time there was not many people at the beach, so we had the beach to ourselves. After swimming we decided to go fishing. We were hoping to catch some fish, but we only had lures. Fishing rod wasn't really equipped for beach fishing, but we tried anyway, hoping to catch any fish.
How far did I go? I can't see it.
It was a beautiful sunny day to be at the beach. I love camping because you can just get away from the busy work and just go and relax and listen to the sound of the waves. It keeps me nice and relaxed and calm, and it's great for mental health. We tried fishing at the rocks, but we were unsuccessful. We didn't catch any fish. Here is the last footage of my drone, which I will play on the right side of the screen. I captured so much good footage, although we couldn't get any of it. These are very low quality footage. You can see how beautiful Coledale Beach Campground is through the footage of the drone. Hopefully one day I can buy a new drone. I just gotta keep making more content, getting more subscribers, and getting more watch hours. Luckily we bought some salmon to cook for lunch. I'm here camping with my older son who's gonna be cooking for me. We're using the kitchen drawer setup for the tub with our portable stove. We made pan-fried salmon and salad. For some reason the food always tastes great with a great view. Our vehicle is a Ford Ranger 2021. I bought it when it was new and stock, and I built it to go off-road. I'm still halfway to building my setup. I love just sitting back and relaxing and listening to the natural sound. For tonight's dinner, we're having butter steak and vegetables. And definitely, we did not forget the mushroom gravy. Dinner is served with a beach view. After a relaxing sleep, you get to wake up with a beautiful view by the beach with the sunrise. How awesome is this view? If only I had the footage of the drone. This was the time after making coffee, I went and flew the drone to make some footage, and all of a sudden it crashed. This was a very sad moment with a beautiful view.